Hi, my name's Sophia. I work here at the Imaging Center, and today I'll be showing you how to use the 3D scanner on the iPad. Chapter 1. Finding a suitable object. The 3D scanner works best on medium-sized objects. Smaller objects will lack detail, while larger objects will be difficult to capture in their entirety. Chapter 2. Scanning your object. To get the best-looking scan, you should stand about 3 feet away from your object. Make sure you have a clear path to walk all the way around it. Try, if you can, to have a smooth, flat surface as the background. Chapter 3. Positioning the scan cube. The bottom of the scan cube will snap to flat surfaces automatically. Using the pinch tool, you can size the scan cube to your object. Chapter 4. Scanning the object. To start, press the blue scan button and move around your object. If you make a mistake, press the red redo button in the top right corner. Then, when you're done, click Done. Chapter 5. The completed scan. Once you click the Done button, a review screen will appear where you can view your scan. You can also click X-ray view to see the underlying mesh of the model. To share or export the scan, click the email link in the top corner and you can send the .obj file to yourself or a friend. Note that if you want to include the colors of the object within the file, make sure the color view is selected when you send the email. And that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy scanning.